In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Remote Play lag. So first off, you just have to go to your search button and just go to Steam. After you've logged in Steam, you could go click Steam. And as you can see in here, you could click Settings. Now, navigate Steam Play or Remote Play. If you can see Remote Play, just click this. And once you're in here, you should click Enable Advanced Host options, and you should enable your hardware encoding. And also, if you have a NVIDIA GPU, you should click on this as well. If you are streaming a game running on another computer, you should click this as well. And it depends on your video card, and you should gate these settings, and you should adjust them to whatever you like. And it could be fast or beautiful, quality or performance. You could control that as well. And it really depends on your CPU and GPU. And that's it.